Hey everyone and welcome back. Otter.ai not recording fix-it fast with these free plan solutions. First check the Chrome experimental feature, type Chrome //flags in the address bar, search for echo cancellation, disable it, and relaunch. This fixes the issue where only your voice records and other speakers are missing. Second, check free plan limits your conversation, cannot exceed 30 minutes. Otter stops transcribing after the cap, split longer meetings into shorter segments. Third, check your browser permissions. Go to Settings and allow microphone access for Otter in Chrome. Click the lock icon next to the Otter URL and enable microphone. Fourth, if you are not in a workspace, you may have experienced the March 2026 recording outage. This was resolved, but if you still have issues, record audio separately using another app, then import the file later. Fifth, for online meetings, use Otter Note-taker instead of manual recording. Note-taker is more reliable. And that is it. These fixes solve most recording problems on the free plan. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.